In this video, I explain what is adiabatic process. So first we understand the definition of adiabatic process. Adiabatic process is a thermodynamic process in which there is no heat interaction during the process. So heat is denoted by the Q. Okay, no heat interaction means that is a Q is equal to 0. Means heat is not supplied to the system and heat is not rejected from the system. That means the Q is equal to 0. For making any system adiabatic, we need to do the proper insulations to the system. In this process, the work interaction is there at the expense of internal energy. Okay, so suppose we consider that is a piston cylinder arrangement is there, and this piston is move up and down. Okay, so this piston is move up and down due to the expense of internal energy, because we are not supply any heat energy to the system. There is a no rejection and supply of heat takes place during the compression and the expansion process. So compression and expansions are follow the adiabatic process. Okay, and during this compression and expansion, no heat rejection is there and no supply of the heat is there. It is called as the adiabatic process. So frictionless adiabatic process is known as isentropic process. Means adiabatic process means suppose we do the compression and expansion by the adiabatic process. Okay, and suppose during the expansion and compression the component are moved without friction, means pistons are moving without frictions, then it's follow the isentropic process. Okay, so generally for the compression process we require the compressor, for the expansion process we require the turbines. Okay, so these compressor and the turbine have a lots of moving component is there, and in the moving component there is a friction is there. Okay, it is not possible to run the compressor and the turbine without frictions. Okay, and suppose we can run this compressor and turbine frictionless, then this adiabatic process is called as the isentropic process. Now let gas contained in a piston cylinder arrangement as shown in this figure. So here you see the figure of cylinder piston arrangement. This is the cylinder, this is the piston, and in between this piston and cylinder gas is filled. Okay, and here we mentioned that is the adiabatic wall is there. Adiabatic wall means it is the insulated wall is there, and here we mentioned the del Q is equal to 0, means we are not supplying any heat and the heat is not rejected from the gas to the surroundings. And this is the piston, and these pistons are moving up and down. Okay, on the basis of that the compression and expansion is going on. If wall of piston and cylinder is perfectly insulated, there will be no heat transfer to or from the systems. Okay, means avoid these heat interactions, we need to do the insulation of the cylinders. Okay, and when we do this insulation, then the heat is not enter in the system and heat is not go away from the system. It is called as the to and from the system. Gas can be compressed or expand, and internal energy of the system will be increase or decrease. Okay, so when we do this compression, when this piston is moving in this downward direction, at that time this gas is compressed and volume is reduced. When this piston is moving in this upward direction, at that time the gas volume is increased. It is called as the expansions. And on this basis of this compression and expansions, its internal energy of the system will increase or decrease. So when we do this compression, internal energy is increased. When the expansion is going on, internal energy is reduced. So thank you for watching this video. If you learn something, then like the video and subscribe my channels for watching the more video related to BME, EME or other subject of this mechanical engineering. For BME or EME subject, various link is provided in descriptions. For other subject, I request to visit the playlist.